Do you want your videos feel more intense and suspenseful? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a horror strobe effect in CapCut Mobile, using CapCut's built-in video effects. Let's get started. Open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit, then tap Add to import it in your timeline. From the bottom toolbar, tap Effects, then select Video Effects. Look for effects that produce rapid flashing, flickering, or pulse like lightning. Tap an effect to preview it how it looks on your video. Once you find the one that matches your style, tap the check mark to apply it. An effect layer will now appear on the timeline. Drag the left or right edge of the layer to adjust how long the strobe effect lasts. You can also adjust the speed by tapping the Adjust button and adjusting the speed slide. Before exporting, don't forget to preview your video. And that's how you add Horror Strobe Effect in CapCut Mobile. Thanks for watching and happy editing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.